Guangdong U-Flight Electronic Technology Company Limited is located in Dongguan, Guangdong, and our associate company is located in Shenzhen. This strategic location gives us direct access to suppliers, raw materials, and young creative talent, which is critical to our continued success. Our associate company have an R&D team with more than 10 years of experience and produce our own video transmission VTX. Popular models are 2.5 WVTX, 3 WVTX, 5 WVTX, and 8 WVTX. Cost effects FPV framework. For example, Mark IV 7-inch, Mark IV 8-inch V2, Mark IV 9-inch V2, Mark IV 10-inch V2, etc. Motors such as 2807, 1300 kV, 3110, 1280 kV, 3115, 900 kV, stack F405, F722, etc. We provide one-stop FPV spare parts, supply, and provide solutions for heavy-duty FPV drones. The 7-inch FPV drone has a load capacity of 1.5 kilograms and a battery life of up to 30 minutes. The 8-inch FPV drone adopts a detachable assembly method and is small in size and easy to carry. And 10-inch and 13-inch 15-inch FPV drone also supports OEM/ODM. Our products provide the ultimate FPV drone experience beyond your imagination. Whether your hobby is videography, entertainment, racing, freestyle flying, or education, our platform lets you create new experiences so you can do more with your FPV drone than you ever thought possible.